This is it, chat. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all, chat. Here we go. We going through the door, chat. We even got a doorbell, chat. Stop playing.
I want the door out there.
Come in straight to the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? High ceilings. This is nice, chat. You got a little pantry door right here. You dig? Then we keep coming around. You know, we got
What's this? Wow.
the furnace in there. Okay, Gabby. Just a little spare closet. I wonder what that is, chat. We ain't gonna mess with it right now, but when I find out, y'all will find out. What's behind door number 3? Hey, you dig? Let's go. And so we got the washer and dryer. This is me and mama room right here, you dig? You know what I'm saying? You walk in, you got the ceiling fan, and then you come around this way. Boom! How you like that? Yeah, so this is our closet. You know what I'm saying? High ceilings. Yeah. You know, you got the sink and everything over here. Shower. Right around here, you got the toilet. Yeah, with a door. Let's go. Look at Peggy. She happy. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? What's good, chat? What's good? Alright, let's go finish checking it out. Alright, now we leave out of our room, me and mama room, and this is our patio. Right here, you know, you come out, you got the little slab. You know, you got the AC unit right there. Got a tree in our yard. Got a little bit of fake grass. That's the other side of our yard. You know, you dig? That's all the other places that's around us. All right, let's go back in. Let's go back in. Door closed, AC on. All right, look at that wall. That is nice. What can we do with that, chat? What y'all think? You got this big space. That's nice. But yeah, you know, kitchen area. You dig? Nice little living room with the ceiling fan, you dig? When we come and we go to the right, kids' room. You know what I'm saying? Pretty big. You got their little closet. Oh, they got a nice little view of the parking lot area. Let's go. Alright, and then we go this way. And then this is their bathroom right here. You got the sink area. How y'all doing? And then you got the good old tubby tub, you know what I'm saying? Huh? On my hat? I thought this was on the counter in there. How did it? Why y'all doing this? Got that. And then we got the toilet on this side. I have my stuff sitting down there just. And then that's the linen closet for this bathroom. And that's the box. Y'all already know what that is. Man, they got this thing at 67 right now. So 67, 67. Open up the other kid's door. Nice flooring, high ceiling, ceiling fan in every room. Yeah, that's their closet. Oh yeah, we got bunk beds over there, bunk beds over here. You know what I'm saying? TV go somewhere. I don't know, but we're gonna figure this out, chat. But yeah, that's the crib, y'all. I told y'all I was gonna show y'all. And it's finally here, you dig? So stay tuned to the next video. We out. Oh, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe. Now we out. Peace.